And if you've been sending your email campaigns for a very long time and you've already set those top 3 already, but it's still not delivering as much, then you have to check what's wrong. And if you've been sending to a list that hasn't been engaged for a long time, or let's say you've bought off a list from a different person and then you're not sure how engaged they are, then you really have to test out and filter them out with segments. So that's why the most important thing is to really filter them out, checking if they are really ready for what you're promoting, what you're delivering. So what I did was drop everything from 60-day engagement segments to 15-day engagement segments. This way, all of the people that I'm sending to, all the subscribers that I'm sending my email campaigns to, are the ones who are really engaged and who are really interested and looking forward to my emails.